Hey, hello and welcome to the Man Cave here at Wistful Vistas in beautiful suburban San Diego, California. How are you doing? We had rain this morning. Again, I wrote another letter to the mayor. He's just not paying attention to me. And actually a thunder shower on Monday. But we're going to try a couple of things in this quick little vlog here. It's going to be quick-ish anyway. Number one, I am using my in-garage man cave Sony vlogging camera, which I like very much. It's a really quality piece of equipment. And once again, the Rode mics. I think I've discovered to get that signal let's say, set into stereo mode. Now, if it's not exactly stereo because we're recording with a mono setup here, it duplicates a stereo or makes it a virtual stereo. It takes the soundtrack. It's setting in the software, video editing software I use called Final Cut Pro, and it seems to have worked. But this is going to be the time to tell the experiment. So if you're out there, please give me that positive feedback. And you, Pam, you are the gentleman who has been my voice of conscience on these audio settings. So let me know what happens. Let me know what you think, sir. But the other thing we're going to do is, stand by for it. Speaking of audio, this is a audio system that I sent away for. It's an inexpensive version of the Rode microphone. So just very quickly, we're going to do an unboxing here and see what's in the box, and we'll try them out as appropriate a little later on. But that's the process that we're going to go through, and at the same time see if we can get that audio track edited into Final Cut Pro with a little more quality. So stand by, it's going to be thrilling. Wireless microphone system. Nice quality feel to the box. It's matte black with some glossy black representations of the system, and there are two manuals included, setting the recording level correctly, and then the overall user manual, both by Synco. And we have the Synco transmitter and receiver. Now, how do I know which is which? Is because actually they tell you. One says transmitter, the other says receiver. Can you see this down here in GoPro land? Transmitter, receiver. What's interesting is the blue light just started flashing, so it's picking up some Bluetooth signal here. Also in the box is a foam wind noise generator, a dead cat wind noise non-stop, whatever you call the thing. Again, no cats harmed or injured during the production or the filming of this. A lapel pin, which you put on your lapel if you have suits, and a what do you call this thing? I don't know what you call this thing. It used to be what you used to get your deal out of a smartphone, but anyway, you get that. And three separate wires. One of these, or sets of wires. This is the mic itself, and it's native TRS, which means it's compatible with GoPros and the Sony cameras, most vlogging cameras. Here's the microphone in. Not sure if that's showing up. We'll try it down here. The double ring is TRS, and then the triple ring is TRRS. We have the charging cables, charging wires, and we have a nice, looks like we have an adapter, TRS to TRRS. You can see the dual versus the triple rings there. And this adapter is kind of nice. I kind of like that because you got that little springy feel to it there. And once again, let's see if I can get this so you can get it into the field of vision here. Once again, TRS. So that is the contents. It comes in a nice little box. I like the quality of the box. The quality feels good. So that kind of gives you a good feeling about the product itself. So again, nice looking box, I think. So next time you see this, we're gonna charge these up and then try them out. Now, one of the reasons I like these is these are less expensive than the Rode, and I thought I might cry a little less if I were to, inadvertently damage one of these as compared to the Rode system. And again, what's interesting is that blue light is on, so it's searching for a Bluetooth signal out there somewhere. Okay, next time you're going to see it, it's going to be charged up, and we'll give it a try. Hey guys, have a great afternoon. I'm having fun here in the Man Cave.
Recording